I won the Mirror Awards in Cardiff, at Fest in Cardiff, and the Mirror Awards is to celebrate the achievements in a year, what you have done and how much difference you've made for other people. And I won the awards, the idea category, with my comic strips. And when I went there, everybody was amazed with my work. When they called my name out that day on the ideas category, I didn't know what to do with myself. I looked behind to see who they were talking about, but they mentioned Edrychwch and Lewis, and I was just all over the place, very happy. Well, one of my characters is called the Red Duffy Dragon, and he is the main leader of the group called the Titans of Righteousness, and he protects the whole of Wales from supernatural activities, or generally fighting crime and protecting those who need help. They can find my comics on their Facebook page called the RDD Comics, which also stands for the Red Duffy Dragon Comics on Facebook. I've come up with a few fictional characters, mainly superheroes, to teach people with learning difficulties like myself how to stay safe when they go out, or if anything happens to them, they can learn from these messages and they can talk to people that they can trust. And it gives them the encouragement to speak out more and to be treated like everybody else.
David's work is all his idea. He came to me one day, just went, "Oh, I've been working on a comic strip, can I show you?" And he handed me this fantastic piece. It was Green Cross Code was his first one, and it straight away I could tell it was something special, and it was just the creativity behind it, all his artwork, and it's really, really inspiring. And he's been helping everyone here then, sort of getting ideas from people, talking about what ideas they need to help. So he's done themes on, as I say, Green Cross Code, online safety, don't give out your passwords online. He's touched on abuse, which is a really brave topic. A lot of bigger companies, a lot of bigger comics would steer well away from that, and he's tackled it really delicately, really, really well. Hearing him talk about it, his passion's really evident, and it's just really nice. He's such an eloquent speaker, and it's been really nice to sort of give him that sort of recognition. So today, in honour of both David and there's a couple of other guys here who've been doing some really great work, we thought it'd be nice to have a little bit of a party. The base in Newtown has really taken to the comics. He's gone over there, done presentations and talks and given them copies, and it's been really nice for him then. They've come over, so he's kind of sharing in that with everyone. Yeah, so we're just having a bit of a gathering, bit of a party for him, bit of music, a lot of food, bit of drink, and hopefully he has a good time.